Hello everyone, in this video I want to share a tools that will help you guys as software developer to check an uptime of our website. So this tool will really help us website developer to check the uptime of our website. So this is the tool. Let me show you guys. So the name is Uptime Kuma. It is a fancy self-host monitoring tool. It is a self-host, so we can host this application in our server. So it's free. We can host in our server in our AWS or other server or on your local machine. In this tutorial, I want to share and show you guys step by step how to install this in our local machine, so we can check the uptime, how it's work and how good it is. It's basically having a lot of stars and Docker pool. So this is the image, and we can try the demo here if we want, but we will try using our local, so we don't have to use this one. This is the demo if we want to try. Okay, first of all we need to go to this how to install section. In how to install section, we can install it with Docker or we can install without Docker. In this tutorial I want to use Docker because I think it's a little bit more easier than non-Docker. So I will use this script to install with Docker image. Of course you guys need to install Docker in order this to work. Okay, let me open my terminal. I'm using Git bash here. Then let me press the code and enter. Okay, it's work. It's running because I already have the image. I already have the image here. The Uptime Kuma I already download, so I don't have to pull the another image. If you guys the first time, it will first download the image and then after that it will run. Here's the container. It's running on port this. Okay, this is, I think I still have the data from my last uptime. So let me log out first. Okay, I tried to create a new account and delete the volume so we can try from the start. So we can try from the start. Password is too weak. Okay, I already log in. So we can try to add a new monitor here. For we can use we have a monitor type HTTP. Let's try to create a new monitor. Using this. This is my website. We can try using this, so we can see my website. This is the URL. This is my website. The heartbeat interval is 60 seconds. Let's just use the default setting here. The acceptance code is 200. 200 until 299. And the monitor group, let's create a website. The name of the group, website. Okay, and we can also set up the notification using any other Telegram, for example. I think the Telegram is preferable. So it will send the notification if there is any error or our website, if our website is down, so it will send to Telegram. Or maybe we have a lot of option here like Google Chat, Google Workspace, yeah, LAN Messenger or something else. Yeah, I think it's better to use like Telegram is free, but for now I will not try to set up notification since I don't set up the Telegram. Yeah, so I just save this. Yeah, okay, this is the my website. Okay, probably I can change the name of my website. I think it's kind of confusing. Just change it to the domain name. Yeah, so okay, it's better. So I can look. This is website. Okay, okay. Let me add a new monitor. Okay, so for me the reddit.com is down, yeah, for my connection. So I will not allow. I cannot access the Reddit, so it will find an error, yeah. So let's try using Reddit for the error. Uptime, yeah. Okay, accepted. That's the same, everything the same. The group is website, then save. Okay, yeah. Okay, as you can see here, the reddit.com is red, yeah, because it's down. But my website here is up, yeah, because I can access my website here, but I cannot access the Reddit, yeah, since from my server I cannot access the reddit.com because it's blocked, yeah, for me. Yeah, I cannot find where other website is down, so I just use Reddit to check. This is if you can see, we have a group and we have a website here. This is the uptime 100%, and this is the uptime of 0% because it's always down. Yeah, yeah. I think this is the Uptime Kuma. Yeah, I think it's pretty great website. If you guys want to use it, this tool is pretty powerful. Yeah, to check the uptime of the website. It's the same like Better Stock. Yeah, you guys know Better Stock. Yeah, Better Stock is the same. Yeah, it's if you check also to check the uptime of our website. My company use this, but we can use Uptime Kuma if we want because this is free. Yeah, you can deploy this application on your local machine or your AWS account. Yeah, feel free. Okay, I think that's it from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to give a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.